Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to magnify text and graphics on screen in Windows 10 computer. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to Start menu by clicking here, and now click on this icon to get the settings. Now click on Ease of Access. Now click on magnifier. Now click on this radio button to turn on magnifier. So you can see here now magnifier tools is now pop up. So now you can close the setting window. Now from here you can use the magnifier tools by pressing this plus button to increase the level of magnify. So when I press on this plus button, you can see here the magnifier level is increased with 200%. So you can see here my text are now become bigger and more easier to read. You can see here you can increase the level of magnification also by pressing the plus button. You can see here now I can read the smaller text much easier. So this is a very useful tools those who have weak in vision, and by using these tools you can make the text or any graphics magnify, and so that you can read it much easier without giving stress to your eye. And also there is an option called play button. So I'll show you how to use this play button. So first of all, decrease or make it normal by pressing on 100%. So when you select any text on the screen and by pressing on this play button,
OnePlus 8T passes through biz.
Read the text
could launch soon in India.
So whenever you select any text on the screen and by pressing this play button will make the computer
OnePlus 8T could launch in India soon, as the phone has been spotted passing through the biz. Bureau of Indian Standards.
So try this out for yourself, and I hope this will be very useful for you. So if my video is useful for you, click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.